वेल इट्स नो न्यूज कि कैसे हमारे पॉपुलर सेलिब्रिटीज एक लुक को एज करने के लिए किसी भी हद तक चले जाते हैं, चाहे वो हो वेट गेन करना या फिर हो वो कुछ चंद पाउंड्स कुछ महीनों में कम कर देना। हमारे एक्टर्स किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हैं एक रोल को परफेक्शन से एज करने के लिए। कितनी बार हमने देखा है कि एक्टर्स अपने बाल ग्रो कर लेते हैं एक लुक को परफेक्ट करने के लिए। कितनी बार हमने देखा एक्टर्स ने वेट गेन करा है अपने कैरेक्टर को परफेक्ट करने के लिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आमिर खान इन द मूवी दंगल। नॉट ओनली दैट, कितनी बार हमने देखा कि एक्टर्स ने डिजिटल जॉ लाइन दिखाने के लिए उनको स्पेसिफिकली एक टारगेट रोल दिया गया है कि उनको कितना वजन कम करना है। आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे खास कलाकारों के बारे में जिन्होंने सेट किए मेजर गोल्स हमारे सामने, क्योंकि उन्होंने शो किया कि कैसे उन्होंने फिट टू फैट की जर्नी को किया है एस। Well, acting is no easy feat. From drastic weight loss to strict dieting to maintain a certain look, celebs have often to live their real look for real and also work hard to achieve it. Looking lean or bulking up doesn't happen over a night, and many celebs have given their heart and soul to get the perfect look. Beginning up, we have Harsh Rajput. Yeah, though Harsh was also to be a part of Ekta Kapoor's supernatural drama कुछ तो है रिवील कि उन्होंने लूज करे 7 kgs फॉर द शो। हमारे साथ एक्सक्लूसिवली बात करते हुए हर्ष ने कहा, आई एम फॉलोइंग अ स्ट्रिक्ट regime फॉर दिस रोल। आई एम ऑन 80% protein and 20% of carb diet, because of which I have lost 7 kgs in a month. I'm also going through a rigorous workout regime where I work out hard for 2 to 3 hours a day. I worked really hard for this character and I'm super excited. शहीर शेख, या ये कहें अबीर from ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के। Popular actor Shahir Sheikh too had gained the weight for a look. In an Instagram post, Shahir had written about his weight gain journey he had gone through to play the role of Arjun in Mahabharat. He had written, from 75 kgs to 95 kgs, the transformation from being Anant to becoming Arjun was a big journey for me, physically and also mentally. He was previously seen in Navya, and recently the last project that he was a part of is Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke. The next on the list being Surbhi Chandana. While the gorgeous beauty actually maintained a strict diet to ace the character of Nagin ki Bani. While the beauty Surbhi Chandana stunned all of us with an enviable toned body in Nagin 5. The actor took up the Pilates and Zumba to lose weight and play a shape-shifting snake in the supernatural thriller. बानी का किरदार ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि सुरभि से ज्यादा कोई और नहीं निभा सकता था अच्छे से। The actress mentioned that the actresses who previously played Nagin like Moni Roy, Ada Khan, Surbhi Jyoti and Nia Sharma inspired her to work hard and achieve a certain look. Jasmine Basim. The Big Boss 14 fame Jasmine was a strict diet for Nagin 4. She was put in a special preparation to get into shape. Jasmine, who loves junks, said that she had completely given up eating butter chicken and pizza for the whole, only for the reason of the role, and she wanted to look like a nice hot Nagin. She had said that the leading ladies of previous season, Nagin, have set really high standards and she was trying to give her best and was also ready to quit the love for food. Nia Sharma. The actress once confessed that she used to starve to maintain body. She would always be conscious about how she looks on screen and suffered from the fear of getting out of shape. एक लीडिंग पोर्टल से बात करते हुए निया ने कहा, I was obsessed with my weight, and if I put on 1 kilo also, I would start fretting and fuming over it. So much that my conversations with my friends were all about my weight worries. But certainly she has overcome her eating disorder now. The next on the list being Rajas Tokas. Well, Rajas Tokas too joined the cast of Nagin's Bandwagon in the 3rd season. He had beefed up considerably to play the part. He sported an edgy look for Nagin 3 where he played an Ichhadari Nag. और ये कहना गलत नहीं है कि फैंस ने जितना प्यार राजेश तोकस को उनके मैथोलॉजिकल ड्रामा के लिए किया है, उससे ज्यादा प्यार शायद उन्होंने नागिन के लिए किया था। The next on the list being मेहरजान माजदा. Well, अगर आपको याद है वो लीडिंग लड़का 2.5 किलो प्रेम में, जहाँ पे उस लड़के के वेट था कितना ज्यादा, हम बात करें मेहरजान माजदा का, उन्होंने इस पर्टिकुलर किरदार के लिए बहुत ज्यादा वेट गेन किया था। He had to play the role of an oversized protagonist male in the serial, जिसके लिए he was on a strict diet to gain weight and he had to gain almost 16 kgs to the normal weight that he had. Simba Nagpal. Well, currently Simba को आप देख रहे हैं शक्ति अस्तित्व एक एहसास की में as Virat and is sweating out in the gym to beef up his role and is seen sweating up in the gym only to beef up for his role. Simba ने लीडिंग पोर्टल से बात करते हुए कहा था, I am beefing up to play this negative shade in the show. I'm inspired by the Wolverine here. Shashank Vyas. While Shashank tried to build up his physique for his role as a captain in Indian Army in the serial Jana Na Dil Se Dur, he had undergone a rigorous training and given up his favorite foods to get a muscular body for the role. Last but not the least, Vin Rana. The Kumkum Bhagya actor dropped from 88 kgs to 74 kgs for his role in Mahabharat. Before he bagged his debut show Mahabharat, he decided to work on his body. Initially on the bulky side, Vin worked out rigorously and changed his food habits. And well, the results were pretty much in front of us. ये तो थे हमारे खास कलाकार जिन्होंने ये साबित किया कि एक्टिंग की जर्नी काफी सिंपल नहीं है। हर काम में बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है और उस काम को एस करने में डबल मेहनत लगती है। और उन्होंने ये बात साबित करी है अपनी इस रिगरस ट्रेनिंग और अपनी इस मेजर बेंचमार्क सेट करने की हैबिट से। आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि आप क्या सोचते हैं इन कलाकारों के इन खास खूबसूरत जर्नी या फिर ये कहें ट्रांसफॉर्म लुक्स के बारे में। Until then, stay tuned to Delhi Talker for all the more updates for the Delhi world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.